Abduction alert. We have received intel that the police and army intelligence are hunting for the former CCC Zimbabwe deputy spokesperson, Honorable Gift Ostallos Ziba, Comrade Ostallos and Amos Chibaya, after their media address at Harare Magistrate Court a few days ago. Ashpere mushe mure Zimbabwe, vakomana pana papa Citizen Coalition for Change vachiti aiwa Amos Chibaya na Ostallos Ziba vakuda kuabductiwa, vatu apa manhunt. Vatu hantiwa sabena mashuka bdanyu komzanas ndibva subscribe like utina on the bell like unonyana vachiti the two had attended the bail ruling session solidarity with our chief administrator Senator Jameson Timber in the Avondale 78. The 2 days ago, police and army intelligence official possibly entered Honorable Ziva's parents' Bulawayo residence, posing as family members, but were exposed as security agents. Their intent is to abduct, torture, detain, and seek further detention to prevent them from applying for bail. The regime is in panic mode, assuming the duo is planning a protest ahead of the upcoming Sabc summit. We are not yet free in Zimbabwe, but as Father Zimbabwe, the late Dr. Joshua Nkomo would say, this country will never die. The young people will save it. Tomashwarubula pana zvinzi aiwa vakomana vaviri vada kuabductiwa. Zvinzi aiwa vada kuti vangonyangariswa vanzvenge bail. Vakomana ava varunyanya kutsvagiwa nawe kunzi aiwa pamwe vada kuplana protest pa Sabc summit. Zviuze mafungiro enyu pene comment section medu, subscribe.